In a world where luxury watches often come with eye-watering price tags, Earthen Company is shaking things up with a bold statement. Premium design and durability don't have to break the bank. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a sub-$1,000 ceramic-cased watch truly compete with its pricier counterparts? Let's dive in. Earthen, a new Hong Kong-based brand founded by passionate collectors, has just unveiled the Summit Collection. 3 ceramic-cased field watches, priced at just $899. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, these timepieces blend vintage charm with modern functionality, all while staying surprisingly affordable. The collection features 3 models: Overcast, Bluebird, and Whiteout, each housed in a scratch-resistant ceramic case, available in black or white, at 38 millimeters in diameter and 10 millimeters thick. These watches strike a perfect balance between ruggedness and wearability. Co-founder Jonathan Chan, a familiar name in horology circles, explains, "Ceramic lets us experiment with colors and textures in ways steel can't, while honoring the timeless proportions of vintage watches." But this isn't just about looks. These watches are built for adventure, boasting 100-meter water resistance and a robust design. The Overcast, with its black ceramic case and dial, is the epitome of classic restraint. Its brushed surfaces and vintage-inspired bezel angles evoke a sense of nostalgia, while the beige-luned hands and indices add warmth. The standout feature? A double-knurled, screw-down crown with a pop of color, making it glove-friendly and undeniably stylish. Paired with a khaki-green sailcloth rubber strap, it exudes a military-inspired vibe, though it also comes with a NATO strap for versatility. Now, this is the part most people miss. The Bluebird is where Earthen really flexes its creativity. Named after the perfect post-snowfall ski day, this model features a full lume dial that glows brilliantly in the dark, though it does sacrifice some daylight readability. Housed in a glossy white ceramic case, it's a bold statement piece, complete with a baby blue accent on the crown and a matching sailcloth strap. The Whiteout, on the other hand, plays with contrast, pairing a black dial with a white ceramic case and strap. Its monochromatic aesthetic is sleek and modern, with a black accent on the crown tying it all together. Each watch is powered by a Miyota 9039 automatic movement, which, while not silent, is reliable and responsive. What's truly impressive is how Earthen has packed so much value into a sub-$1,000 package. From the premium ceramic case to the thoughtful dial design and high-quality strap, these watches feel like they should cost twice as much. But here's the kicker. Earthen is only producing 100 pieces of each model initially, with potential restocks depending on demand. Shipping from Hong Kong. U.S. buyers should note the 10% tariff, a small price to pay for such a unique offering. So, is Earthen's debut collection a game-changer? Here's the controversial question. Can a budget-friendly watch truly rival luxury brands in both style and substance? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Whether you're hitting the slopes or just admiring these timepieces from your couch, one thing's clear. Earthen is a brand to watch,